George Williams, founder and CEO of Reliability X, back in our mini series of finding some basic opportunities that we can go after in general maintenance as well as on the operations side of the fence. We've gone through lots of different topics. We're on the operations side now. Today we're going to talk about kind of air balancing. And air is always, especially in an automated plant, clean, dry, well-balanced air is a huge, huge opportunity for continuous improvement, especially if you use robots. If you've got Fanuc robots doing half the stuff at the line, they definitely require clean, dry, and consistent air, particularly if they're doing very complex things like trying to grab moving materials and with vision systems and things of that nature. All that actuation requires really good, clean, dry air. Today we're going to talk a little bit at a lower level at just basic air balancing. Don't forget to like the videos, leave comments, hit subscribe, give us feedback. If you have any questions on this video or any other content that we produce, or just want to be part of the conversation, hit us up at ask@reliabilityx.com. So from a balanced air perspective, oftentimes plants have a bunch of different lines and plant air is distributed to each and every one of those. And fluctuations in plant air based on demand, some lines will crank their air up to adjust for the fluctuations that are happening all day long to ensure performance. The trouble with that is when there is no demand, or let's say one line shuts down or two lines have a minor stop at the same time, you get a spike in air pressure. And when that spike occurs, you can cause crashes in the line you're running. And you have no idea why that's happening. And they happen all day long, and they happen because of poor balanced air. One of the easiest things to do to help resolve these issues, aside from making sure it's clean, drying it locally, is to put in an air receiver to allow for a balanced air system. Make sure there's a receiver tank close to the line, where at line distribution you have a receiver tank that can accommodate for the fluctuations in plant supply. This will reduce the number of crashes that you have no idea why they're happening, but they're happening because of other things within the plant that are either using or not using the plant air.